Hi, friends! We went over some zoo animals before, so I was wondering if you could help me with some of the animals that you might see in the water or around the water. Let's see what we have. Do you guys recognize what this is? It's red. A lobster! Good job! I think you guys will recognize what this is. What is this? A frog! Do you know what sound the frog makes? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Good job. And I have this little guy. Can you guys tell me what this is? He's green. He's got a brown shell. A turtle. Can you guys recognize what this is? He's got lots of little legs. He's got 2 claws. Do we know what he is? He's a crab. Good job. How about this one? Do you guys recognize what this is? It's a whale. Good job. I think you guys know what this is. What animal is this? It's a duck. What sound does the duck make? Quack, 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 quack. Do you guys recognize what this is? It's black. It has a white belly. It lives where it's very, very cold. It's a penguin. Do you know how penguins walk? They waddle, 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 waddle. Good job. And the last one, I think you guys know what this is. It's a shark. Good job, my friends. Thanks for your help.